Yo 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 everybody, it's your boy
B92. Yay!
and we are going to be chilling, and guess what we are going to be doing today? We are on the greatest server in the world. We are on sg15.lbsg.net, and guess what? We're gonna go see our homie.
Yay! The little lifeboat guy. Okay. So now let's just change this. Come on, 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 come on. Let's go to video. First person. Okay, let's go, yo. We got this. And we are going to be playing Bounty Hunter. I don't know where that voice came from, but okay. Well, we're gonna be playing Bounty Hunter. Okay, whoever that is, you can stop. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a pretty good round. Okay. Ooh, we can buy some stuff. Okay, let's buy some. Ooh. Okay, let's buy some boots. Yo! There, we got ourselves some savage boots. We got. Oh my god, what's this guy? What the heck is this guy doing? Okay, whatever. Let's get some stuff. Let's start attacking some noobs. Whoa. Yeah, I think some people are dumping their stuff in there. Let's just pretend like that never happened. Come on. Let's go. I swear, if there's nothing in his chest. Okay, pretty decent stuff. Couldn't be worse, couldn't be better. Okay. So we almost have full iron armor. And we get the iron sword automatically. Thing is, I want more is food. If I can. Ooh. Oh my god. Full. God. What was I thinking? Let me out. Let me out. Jesus, that was dumb. This stuff is getting into my way. Gosh, I hate this. Just they should like make this like go when you're in the match. Cause now I have to waste my time. But I always like to keep my sword on the end. Oh, we have an enchanter! Ah! First kill of the day! By LeBron James! No! Come on, we can get this guy. We can get this guy. He's a stupid noob. Oh my god. I'm so gonna kill this guy. Come on, come on, where did he go? No! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Do that, I need to get him. No! Dang it. Some people to kill him. Crap. Okay, first kill. First kill. First kill. First kill. Where'd they go? Bro, this is so dumb. Who's that one guy I was chasing? There's three. Who is this guy? Oh man. Come on, let's Let's kill him. Let's kill him. Let's kill him. Yes, we got their stuff. Literally. Okay, let's go. Get out of my way, you stupid Ender Dragon. Gosh. What the heck? There's some people to kill. Wow. This is dumb. What the? Who just hit me? Oh. Some people here are haters. Is there anyone to kill? Whatever, I'm leaving. Really? Oh, this guy. Okay. Oh my god. PvP skills. Mother pay the bills. Open intended race with the power of will. Look with the force the push comes to show like Kobe in the force eyes. What a let's go. Oh man. There's another green guy. I will Really? Really, bruh? This is stupid. I can't believe I fell. I was about to kill a green guy. You should never waste your time. Oh. Oh. Okay, please kill him, actually. This guy's making me really mad. Who just punched me? You wanna go, brother? You just got yourself in a tight situation. Huh. Punk. You wanna go? Oh, really? So you're gonna use a bow on me now. I see how you are. You don't mess with me. You don't mess with me. Keep on telling you guys, don't mess with me. Or you will regret it forever. Oops. Nope.